In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Shein password. Whether you're on the Shein website or using the app, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get back into your account with confidence. Start by opening the Shein website in your browser or launching the Shein app on your device. On the main screen, look for the login or sign in option. It's usually at the top of the website or clearly labeled on the app's login page. Tap or click that to go to the sign in screen. Right below the fields where you'd normally enter your details, you'll see a link that says Forgot Password. Select that. You'll be taken to a password reset page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Shein account. If your account is linked to a phone number, you can enter that instead. Take a moment to double check for typos before continuing. When you're ready, tap Send or Next to submit your reset request. Now head over to your email inbox. The reset message from Shein should arrive shortly, but give it a minute or two and refresh if needed. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder, as automated messages can sometimes land there. When the email arrives, open the Shein reset message and look for the reset link inside. For your security, these links often expire after a short time, so try to click it as soon as you can. Clicking the link will open a secure page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. A good approach is to combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid personal information or common words. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to save your new password there so you won't forget it. Enter your new password and if prompted, confirm it by typing it again. Then tap Confirm or Save. Once the change is successful, you'll either see a confirmation message or be redirected back to the login page. Go ahead and log in using your usual email address and the brand new password you just created. If the email didn't arrive the first time, wait a moment, check your spam or junk folder again, and make sure you entered the correct email address before requesting another reset. That's it. You've successfully recovered your Shein password. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into your account smoothly.